Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a brand new App Store account right on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. At the very top, you will see a space that says sign in to your iPhone. Tap that. Now instead of signing in, look for the option that says don't have an Apple ID or forget it. Tap it, then select create Apple ID. This is how you make your new App Store account. Here, type in your name, birthday, and email address. You can use your current email or tap to get a free iCloud email from Apple. Then create a strong password you will remember. Next, choose your country or region. After that, you will see the payment screen. If you don't want to add a credit card yet, just select none. You can always add payment later when you want to buy something. Apple will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that code and your new Apple ID will be ready. Once done, you will automatically be signed in the Apple or App Store with your new account, and that's it. That's how you create a brand new App Store account right on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.